Yo, welcome back to channel and hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar and we're back again with a little stock talk. This one we're going to be definitely talking about ExxonMobil. I literally just nailed the trade on this and it was the perfect setup. It followed everything that I've been basically kind of learning slash going over in the last 2 weeks. And it just played perfectly. So we're going to talk over this real quick. We're not going to make this long. I'm going to show you guys what I looked at and how I got in the trade, what I did, and basically went with that. So let's see here. We're going to look here. I wish I knew what dates. I believe I got into the Exxon puts. It was Monday, I believe. It was Monday because then Tuesday. Actually, I don't remember. It might have been actually Tuesday when I got into the puts. But anyways, if we go back to Tuesday, the 15th, let's talk about the fibs real quick. Drew the fibs, obviously. Well, this is not the actual fibs. We'll go ahead and delete these fibs real quick. But Tuesday, I'm going to draw the fibs from the top to the bottom here first. If we zoom in, we can see the 0.786. We touched it once, twice, went above it, touched it third time. We were trying to reject the 0.618 a couple times here. We're about to drop, then we pushed up. So we came back and basically did a full retracement, fell a little bit lower, but then we continued to go higher. So interesting enough there. Then if we go ahead and replace the fibs that we had Wednesday, which was yesterday, the whole market was kind of, it wasn't doing much. In the morning, SPY was not moving at all. Towards the end of the day, as we could see, XOM, just everything started tanking, which was perfect. If we go ahead and look at another key reason why I got in this trade, if we look here, we had a double top at this 114.5, 114.6 level. One touch here and one touch on Monday. But we also had this double top here Tuesday and last Friday. That level lined up perfectly. This level lined up perfectly. We basically had a double top, which was pretty, I guess, crazy to say, but it was bound for something to happen. Tuesday we had an inside day, which then led to Wednesday's bleed off. And then we also, if we go ahead and look at this zone here that I have marked in red, this was from Thursday up to Friday. We had a massive gap up. So it was CPI or PPI. We had a massive gap up. So we had this gap from 110, basically 111 all the way up to 112. A whole dollar gap on XOM that needed to be filled one way or the other. I had eyeing this 114.6 level I had eyed, as well as this 114.5 level that we touched twice. But then I went ahead and looked. We found this gap. I marked the gap here. Clearly marked it. Wednesday, I'm driving home from school, getting a notification. I kept setting these alerts, like right here, 112.24. I kept setting these alerts to, notify me. I was in XOM puts, so I wanted this thing to keep going down. If we go here, I think I might have been in the car or something when it touched or was getting close to touching here. Had I not, or had I known that it was going to keep or bounce off this level as support, basically we created a support level here. This bouncing off where we basically gapped up, and then we kind of rode out the rest of the day up. I took kind of the little bit of a risk to to swing it overnight, although I didn't see any reason to sell. Swung it overnight into this morning, and look, we ended up all the way down here at 110.69, exactly where I thought we were going to be. Bounced off this as support, then filled the gap and bounced off the prior resistance as support, which led to us going all the way back up to 113 today. So basically rode XOM all the way from 113-ish all the way down to about 110.72. The contract I had was all the way out in December 2nd. Had a 4-pack of 110 calls. Let me see exactly. I put the tweet on the screen of what I sold them. Bought the contracts for 169 a piece, sold them for 229 a piece. So pretty decent swing. It was only about I think it was only 20 or 30%, but I'll take it. A swing is a swing. One of my biggest days in quite some time. I've only been averaging maybe let's say like $70 or $50 a day, but getting what I had this morning, pretty happy about that. So just wanted to talk about this trade real quick, how I played it out, what I was looking for, and maybe this helped some of you guys out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like. If you have any comments, put those down below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.